Hello, guys. We're going to talk about capitals and I think periods today as well, okay? So this slide says sentences begin with a capital letter. When we were at school this past week, we did a couple of pages that were your sentence scrambles, right? Those were the papers that you had to cut out and you had to cut out the words and put them in order. You had to find the capital at the beginning, you had to find the period at the end, and then put the words in order, okay? So today, I want you to kind of think about that assignment when we are doing this one, okay? So again, this is kind of showing you the capital is right at the beginning of the sentence. And then this down here, it says, let's listen to a song to help us remember that every sentence starts with a capital letter. So you're going to go ahead and press play for that song right there. And then down here it says, now let's look at some sentences. Do they have a capital at the beginning? If so, under the blue thumbs up, put it on the correct side. Or if they are not correct, you'll put it on the green thumbs down, okay? So blue thumbs up if they are correct, green thumbs down if they are not. Okay, I will do one with you, okay? All right, let's look at this one, okay? It says, we like pizza, okay? We like pizza has a capital at the beginning, okay? Capital W. Is that correct? Yes, it is, okay? So you're going to move that over here underneath the blue thumbs up, okay? Because we like pizza with the capital letter and the period at the end is correct, okay? I'm going to read these other ones to you, but you are going to do the rest of them, okay? I walk to school. She has ice cream. Max is a dog. He can read. The sun is hot. So you need to look and see if there's a capital at the beginning of the sentence. So if it's an uppercase SIMHT, if it's an uppercase, that means it's a capital at the beginning. That would be correct, okay? If it's a lowercase letter at the beginning, would that be correct or incorrect? Incorrect, okay? So that's what you guys are working on with this is capitals, okay? Remembering that the capital comes at the very beginning of the sentence. Please let me know if you have any questions.